We are not only talking about crops. There are also invasive species that are insects and then some of the virus that comes in that creates a lot of challenges for agri-food systems here in Uganda. Once they come, eradicate any invasive species becomes a problem. So the approach is to see how you manage in a way that is controlled, that it reduce the economic losses in some of the important crops. The amount of resource that we have allocated for this initial phase is about 1.5 million USD. That to tackle only two diseases, two invasive species. One is the golden dodder. The other one is Parthenium. Those are the two with some economic importance that needs to be handled quickly. In the past, we had worked with Maif to handle fall armyworm. That also was another pest that came that had to be tackled. Not too long ago, you remember the desert locusts that also created a lot of challenges for the entire region. So the challenge for us is to see how we coordinate our efforts together to ensure that all the institutions that have responsibilities can work together in a more coordinated fashion to pull up our resources to better handle the challenge that we have. We need to insist and put more resources when it comes to research and development, and also empower the communities for them to really be attentive and for them to be able to recognize those that most dangerous invasive species. The earlier that we detect the invasive species, the more is the chances that we have to succeed in terms of its control. So community engagement is an important aspect. Also enforcement. The phytosanitary control that normally we do here in Uganda at ports and the airports are important entry points that needs to be monitored to ensure that we prevent the introduction of new species that becomes a challenge to all of us. We also have to coordinate at a regional level, because too often you may have an invasive species that is in the region. If Uganda has handled it alone, if Kenya is not doing the same, the effort is worthless. So regional coordination becomes of paramount importance to see how we handle it in the perspective of protecting the Uganda agro ecosystem, but also ensure that the global biodiversity is also preserved as well.